Good morning and welcome to the channel. I recently went to rockauto.com and I purchased one of their brake kits for my 2002 Chevy Camaro Z28. I purchased the Z26 Performance brake kit. It is 2 rotors, it is 2 brake calipers and brake pads, and I got the red brake pads. It came with a nice little magnet here that's got the Rock Auto information on it. It says Collector Series 1968 Warren Chevy built with Rock Auto parts. This is the magnet that came in it, and apparently this Corvette was built with Rock Auto parts. So therefore Rock Auto parts must be awesome because Corvettes are awesome. This is the packing list. I got the Power Stop PWR KC154726 caliper, rotor, and brake pad kit. I'll put that information right here on the screen. That came with the Power Stop rotor. That actually came with 2 rotors, and the rotors are actually marked left and right. They're in this box right here. It came with 2 calipers. Calipers are right here, and it came with the miscellaneous hardware, you know, such as rattle clips and whatnot. Let me start by clearing off this table, and I will show you the rotors. Here is one of the rotors, and if you notice right here it actually says that it is the front rotor and it says driver side, and the other one says passenger side. You can see I got the drilled and slotted rotors. There's the back, and here's the front. This one contains one of the brake calipers. Comes in a plastic bag. And it actually says, there's a note on it right here, it says threads have been inspected for quality. Torque wrench must be used when installing the caliper brake lines to the OEM specifications, and we will make sure we do that. As you can see, this is a complete brake caliper. Just spin it all the way around for you so you can see all the side. You can see it has the 2 pistons in here, and everything appears to be all greased up and ready to go. It's nice. It's got the new bleeder valve in here, and it even has the cap on it, which I know for a fact my car does not have the cap. What this did not come with is the screws that mount the bracket to your wheel hub assembly. So you do need to be careful when you take those screws out, not to break them, because you're going to have to use that hardware. I might actually suggest I may go to the Chevy dealer and see if I can purchase some new hardware, just so that, you know, I'm not putting the old ones back in. You can see it's got a rattle clip right in here, and it's got the rattle clips that hold the brakes here and here. So it's a really nice looking red powder coated brake caliper. Stamped into it here. Stamped in here, it has a number. It has a 180238889. Not sure what that is. That's just the maybe that's the. I'm not sure what that is, but that is the number that is stamped on here. And these are little guide pins, the floater pins. It's, you know, you can see, you know, it moves around like it should. So it goes in and comes out, goes in and comes out. So I'll still probably take it out and add some new grease to that. So why don't I pull out the brake pads now. Here are the Power Stop brake pads. So it comes with this grease here. I probably won't use this grease. I'm going to, I've got my own grease. Got some some of these rattle clips, but these rattle clips are already in the calipers, so I won't need these either. And the brake pads come in this little plasticky cardboard thing. I've got 2 pads here and 2 pads here. On the back of these it says Power Stop Extreme, and these are Z26 carbon fiber ceramic pads, and the model number is 20170301. This is not the first time that I've ordered parts from Rock Auto. I've ordered brakes for my Camry, and actually I'll put the link right here to that video of the installation of the brake pads and rotors for my Camry. I'm really looking forward to installing these on my Camaro, and as soon as I do, I will put a link to that right here. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day.